With it? What's up with it, y'all? I'm finna hook up this quick breakfast before I go to work, y'all. Check it out. What's up with it? What's up with it, everybody? What's up with it? Going down. Quick breakfast, y'all. Quick breakfast. Hope these Cowboys win, y'all. Hope these Cowboys win. Do you hear me, y'all? Oh, I hope these Cowboys pull it off, y'all. What's up with it, y'all? Cowboy Nation, y'all. My Cowboy Nation with y'all. Yeah, come on with it, y'all. Cowboys. Look at the Cowboys, y'all. What's up with it, y'all? Oh, I hope they pull it off today, y'all. I'm being work, but hey, it's all good. Gotta make that money. What is it? Yeah, y'all. Check it out. Cowboy Nation. Look at these Cowboys. Cowboys, y'all. Going down in the deep town, y'all. What's up with it? What's up with it? Yeah, Cowboys. Yeah. Check it out, y'all. Got the links up there. It's going down. Yeah, check it out, y'all. That's a good old butter toast to y'all. What's up with it, y'all? Put one in there. Put another right there. And hook it up, y'all. Quick breakfast, y'all. How about these Cowboys, y'all? What's up with it? What's up with it, y'all? Cowboy Nation, what's up with it? Cowboy Nation, where y'all at? Yeah, Cowboys. Showtime, y'all. Represent. Hope these boys pull it off, y'all. Ooh-wee. I'm ready, y'all. For the Cowboys. Even though I'm being work, but y'all know how it is. You gotta get the money. Yeah, you gotta get the money, y'all. Hooking it up, y'all. Check it out. Breakfast time. Catch you out. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hey, y'all, congratulations to Black Mud, man. Thank y'all. Almost at 3K, everybody. Go subscribe to my boy Black Mud's channel, y'all. He almost gonna hit that 3K, everybody. Already represent, man. My boy been killing it, y'all. So keep up the good work, Black Mud, whenever you get a whiff of this. Yeah, wait for these Cowboys playing. Yeah. Wait for these Cowboys. Yeah, wait for these Cowboys, y'all. Do you hear me? Yeah, that good butter toast, y'all. Oh, yeah, that's that good butter toast, y'all. Check it out. Keep on love, y'all. What's the real on the thing? Yeah, gotta check me, baby. Guns and more. Check me out. And no games, y'all. Yeah, it is. Check it out. Yeah. That's how you do it. It's still cooking with love, though. Do you hear me? Do you hear me, y'all? Yeah. Check it out. Look at that good butter toast, y'all. Do you hear me?